period, we have learned about how to do the multiplication of decimal numbers as well as multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. In it, we have to shifted the decimal point shifted to the right by 10, so 1 place, by 100, so 2 place, and by 1000, so 3 place, right? We have to move from right to left, right? Now, here for the division, we have to move from left to right, but from where? From the decimal point we have to shift. Suppose, see the example, 31.5 divided by 10, right? Let's see. So 31.5 multiply, suppose we'll take a reciprocal, so 1 upon 10 is equal to, now 31.5, so what, 315 upon 10, multiply 1 upon 10 is equal to 315 upon 100, right? So what we got it over here, 315. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So 1, 2. So what we got it, 3.15. Understood? As it is, see the next result. 231.5 divided by 10. Let's see here. 231.5 multiply 1 upon 10 is equal to 2351 2315 upon 10 multiply 1 upon 10. So 1 are 10 multiplied 10, so 100. So is equal to how many digit? 2 digit, to 23.15. From the two example, we come to know after decimal how many digits here. Already see here 10, so 1 digit. Understood? How many digits we have to move? 1 digit. Decimal point to the left, right? By 10, so 1, 100, so 2, 1000, so 3. Understood? Sure? Good. Now let's see the exercise 2.7. First example, find 0.4 divided by 2 is equal to 4 upon 10 divided by 2 is equal to 4 upon 10 multiply 1 upon 2, right? Is equal to 4 1s are 4 upon 10 2s are 20. Right? Is equal to, wait, see, 2 2s are 4. So is equal to 2 upon 10. So we can say, sorry, we have to convert already into 10, 100, 1000. So 2 upon 10 is equal to 0.2. Got it? Now see the second, 0.35 divided by 5 is equal to 35 upon 100, right? Divided by 5 is equal to 35 upon 100 multiply reciprocal 1 upon 5, right? Now 5, how many is that? 7s are 35 is equal to 7 upon 100. So what we get? 0.07. So all of you understood? So onwards from the remain, last one will explain you. Example number 8. Remain, please do it yourself. 0.80 divided by 5. So is equal to 80 upon how many? 100 divided by 5 is equal to 80 upon 100 multiply 1 upon 5. Now 5, how many is 80? 5 16s, right? So 16 upon 100 is equal to 0.16. Got it? Sure? All of you understood how to do? Now see the second. Let's see the second example. Example number 2 of exercise 7.2. Find 4.8 divided by 10. So is equal to 48 upon 10 divided by 10 is equal to 48 upon 10 multiply 1 upon 10. So is equal to 48 upon 10 tens are 100. So 0.48. So 10. So how many digits we have to from the decimal? One digit we can say, right? How many? One digit from decimal in left. As it is, see, all are related to the same. So from the without doing any calculation, we can say it 52.10 is equal to 5.25. As it is, see the last one. Suppose example number 6.56 multiply 10. So we can say 0.056. Got it? As it is, see the last one, 3.97 divided by 10. Sorry, not multiplication over here, it's a division. Sorry, division. Okay. Now 397 divided by 10, so 0.397. One digit we have to shift on the left side. Understood? Another one example, 272.23, example number 5th. So how many digits we have to? One digit, right? So 27 point. So decimal is shifted 1, 2, 2, 3. So here all the numbers are multiplied with 10. So we have to shift one place from the decimal in left side. Let's see the next. In it is multiplication with 100. So how many digits we have to shift? Two digits, right? Try to understand the first one. 2.7 divided by 100. Example number 3. 2.7 divided by 100, right? So how many digits we have to move? Two digits from the decimal. So what comes? 0.027. Understood? Now 0.3 divided by 100. Second example. So how many digits again we have to move? Two digits. So 0.003. Third, another one, example number 3. 0.78 divided by 100. Right? So how many digits? Two digits from the decimal. So 0.0078. Fourth, 432.6 divided by 100. So 4.326. Got it? How many digits? Two digits. In it you will get a more clear ideas about it. So now let's go for the next example. Example number 4 related to the what? 1000 divided by 1000. 7.9 divided by 1000. So here how many digits we have to shift? Three digits. Yeah, three place we can say, right? Three place, right? So 7.9 divided by 1000. So 0.0079. So from the decimal how many? 1, 2, 3 digits, right? As it is 26.3 divided by 1000, right? See, 263, 1, 2, 3. Where is the decimal? Here, right? So from the here 1, 2, 3, right? 0.0263. Another one example, 128.9 divided by 1000. After decimal 1, 2, 3 digits, so 0.128. Understood? After decimal how many? 1, 2 and 3 digits. Got it? On which side? Again we'll tell you, left side. For the division, left side. For the multiplication, right. Understood? So this point you have to keep in mind properly. Then after, let's see the last example. Sorry, example number 5. Find In it we have a different numbers. Example number 5. 7 divided by 3.5, so is equal to 7 divided by 35 upon 3.5, so 10 is equal to 7 multiply reciprocal 10 upon 35 is equal to 7 5s are 35 is equal to 10 upon 5, 5 2s are 10. So what answer we got it over here? 2. As it is, we'll explain you another one, maybe the example number 4. 30.94 divided by 7. Okay, so 3094 divided by 100 divided by 7. Sorry, not 7 but what? 0.7. So 0.7, so divided by 7 upon 10 is equal to 3094 upon 100. Now reciprocal, so 10 upon 7, right? So is equal to, now let's try to divide 3094 divided by 7. 7 3s are 28, 7 4s are, sorry, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So 2 9 again 7 4s are 28. So 1 4 7 2s are. So it is divided by what? 4 4 2. So 4 4 2 multiply 10 upon 100 is equal to 0 0 again is cancelled. So 4 4 2 upon 10 is equal to 44.2. So like this way you have to solve each and every example yourself. Okay. Now last example, example number 6. Have the same. A vehicle covers a distance of 43 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So 2.4 liter. So how many kilometers? 43.2 kilometers. So we can say therefore 1 liter is equal to how much? Upon 2.4, right? So is equal to 432 upon 10 multiply 24, right? So 0 0 cut. So 432 upon 24, right? 432 upon 24. Now let's perform division. 432 divided by 24. 24 ones are 24, 2s are 48, so is a bigger. So now 3 minus 4 cannot possible. So borrow. So 13 minus 4, 9. 3 minus 2, 1, 2. Now 24. I think so. 24 8s are 192. If you want to try, you can, right? So we can say 18 kilometers per liter. The vehicle is run how many kilometers? Cover 18 kilometers. So all of you understood? Sure. Good. So please do it all examples one after one by leaving one line between them in your notebook. Okay. Let's buy. From the next period, we'll continue with next chapter. Okay. Bye bye.